Hello everyone, how are you doing? Zatiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's, I'm gonna show how to fix the cursor freezes in Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and right click and select device manager. And in this new option, wait a moment, this new window, scroll down and select mice and another pointing device. For example, I select this. Select your mouse connection and right click and select update driver. Select the first option, search automatically for drivers, and click on next install and click on close. You receive this message, the best drivers for your device already installed, and repeat for another ports in your laptop or PC. Select the first option and click on close, select other option of the driver, select search automatically and click on close. And this is all. Repeat this process with all connection in your PC or mouse has been detected. Click on close, and to apply the change, restart your computer, go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart. Log in with your password or PIN. And this is all. Your mouse works properly. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.